Let's start. Today we will learn about the head tag. A head tag contains the metadata about an HTML page. Metadata is not displayed anywhere on the web page. Metadata includes the page title, character set, styles, scripts, etc. This is our head tag. Inside the head tag, we have written a title tag. The title tag defines the title of the web page, and it is displayed on the browser tab. Then we have several meta tags. The UTF-8 defines the character set that will be used on the web page. Then we have a description that contains the description of the web page. Then we have keywords. These keywords will be used by the search engines to locate this web page. Then we define the author name of this web page. Here we define the refresh interval of the web page. Our web page will refresh every 5 seconds. The viewport makes this web page look consistent across various screen sizes. The width attribute of the viewport is set to device width so that this web page expands to the entire available screen size of any device. And the initial scale is set to 1, it is the zoom level of the web page. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the title of this web page is shown on the browser tab. But except that no other metadata is shown on the page anywhere, as the metadata is used by the browser and the search engines. And you can see that the web page refreshes every 5 seconds. So that's it. That's how you can use the head tag in HTML. Thank you.